So this Supreme Court CGI is like a modern day AO Hume. जैसे एक ब्रिटिशर ने इस्टेब्लिश करी थी कांग्रेस ताकि वो इंडियंस के ग्रीवियंसेस पता लगा सकें और उनको उनके प्रॉब्लम्स को उनके इश्यूज को उनके ही अगेंस्ट यूज़ कर सकें थ्रू डिवाइड एंड रूल पॉलिसी. सिमिलरली कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी is one thing that is telling the ruling party the grievances of the people, and the ruling party is playing divide and rule on the same by attacking the students, by pitting Gen Z versus millennials, discrediting the youth, and all sort of rubbish things. So he's like a modern A.O. Hume. After the glorious success, the leaders of CJP met at Sambhaji Nagar, the hometown of its founders, to discuss strategy. And the strategy seems to be in the public because they have got the taste of attention and they want to maintain it. They want to be the national news, and they are trying to unite India like Gandhi did at that time. They are trying to unite the youth, the rational people who are not superstitious, who are not andhbhakts. So they are trying to appeal to the rationality of Indian youth. But what they really need to be focusing and talking about is the Jharkhand protest. Jharkhand is one of the poorest states in India, but it has given a lot for India's development. It is a resource-rich state, high in coal, iron, and mineral deposits. But in return, they have only got exploitation and now examination fraud. They are demanding an overall examination reform, and CJP and all the political parties should stand with it because the youth is ached by it. We spend years of our life, 5-10 years, just trying to crack one government exam, but at the end we find out that some of them are just buying the seats or pulling strings, finding connections just to get in this premier service. This is the biggest injustice that the government is doing, biggest fraud that was